The Department of Social Forestry and Environment Government of Meghalaya had organized a week-long tree plantation drive as part of World Environment Day 2022 celebration. On 3rd June 2022, the Minister of the State's Forest and Environment Department, James P K Sangma, had graced the event as chief guest. Also present on the occasion were the Principal Conservator of Forests, the Superintendent of Police Shillong City Vivek Syiem, members of the Shillong Club, students of various educational institutions besides others. As many as 1,500 tree saplings were planted at the golf links Shillong as part of the World Environment Day program. Only One Earth is the campaign slogan for this year's World Environment Day, with a focus on living sustainably in harmony with nature. During the event, prizes were also distributed to winners of the Forest and Environmental Art competition that was organized recently.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the winner. Now I call the... Let us put our hands together and give them a big applause. The second prize to...
For this initiative of having tree plantation along the periphery or the border of the Shillong Club. And I think that this is, as Bahika had mentioned, a green island in the middle of Shillong. And we need to really preserve and maintain that. I'm in complete agreement to that. And today this is part of an exercise where the Forest Department, in collaboration with the Shillong Club, is planting 1,200 cherry blossom trees on the border. I'm sorry, not 12, but 1,500. But out of which I think the Forest Department has already planted about 800, and there are a few remaining that we are completing this exercise today. And really a big thanks goes to the members of the Shillong Club for this initiative that they've taken. We all know how important trees are. I don't have to mention that, how important trees are to making sure that the environment remains healthy. And today, this is just a small part. It is symbolism, no doubt. But I think the larger message is that we must take climate change and its impact on the environment very seriously. And although we are celebrating the World Environment Week, this must not end here. We must move away from tokenism, symbolism, and imbibe this in our day-to-day lives.